Wow, just beautiful. Yeah, the mist is gone. Hopefully it comes back. I just missed some incredible light in here with the mist. I did take a couple of photos before I started filming, so I probably got it. Yeah, it's just really beautiful in here. So my name's Aaron. I'm a landscape, fly fishing, and outdoor photographer based here in Vancouver, British Columbia. And today I'm in the Seymour Demonstration Forest. I've come to the Seymour Demonstration Forest many times before, just more for hiking and also for photography, but it's just a really beautiful spot. And I'm constantly trying to find new, unique compositions in a landscape that I'm so familiar with. There's lots of people today, so I'm gonna have to be a little bit quick with the talking parts, but I'm gonna try and get a couple photos right here. The mist was coming in and out of these trees, and right now it's gone, but it was really beautiful a few minutes ago. So we'll see what happens next, and I'll try to get a couple shots. Such a gorgeous, gorgeous zone in here. Wow, unbelievable. Just absolutely gorgeous. Wow, what a gorgeous scene. Man, this is just absolutely gorgeous in here. I don't think the camera actually does it justice, how beautiful it is. So I found another composition. It's just absolutely beautiful. I'm not even sure how to put it into words, and even the photography part is actually really difficult. Trying to make some sort of organization in the chaos of this forest is actually really quite difficult, but I'm trying my best. I mean, it's just a really, really beautiful spot, location. When you're looking through the camera and trying to fill the frame with all the stuff that's supposed to be important and not the other stuff, it's really difficult. But what I have here is I have like these beautiful ferns in the foreground. I have a couple of pretty big trees to my right. Then I have this beautiful vine maple right in front of me, and that's the main focus of my frame. It's just absolutely gorgeous with all the moss. And now that it's rained, the polarizer is really helping to saturate the color. So yeah, it's just a really, really, really gorgeous scene. So again, I'm shooting at 35 millimeters, and that's the beauty of having these zoom lenses. Being able to have a lens where you can zoom in or zoom out and have one lens that basically does everything. And so this lens is, you know, a 24 to 120. So right now I'm shooting at 35 millimeters. So it's like a perfect example of being able to frame the shot and then being able to change the framing as you need without switching lenses. So yeah, so that's the composition. I'm shooting at f14 at 4 seconds at ISO 100, and I'm using the self timer as I always do to make sure I'm not shaking the camera, and that is the shot. So I'm gonna grab that shot now, and then we're gonna continue to go for the walk around this loop. So this is the last composition of the day. Just an absolutely beautiful scene, as you can see, with the Seymour River flowing from the very left all the way down into this gorgeous pool, making this sort of like L-shaped corner and beautiful S-curve. So I have some basically mossy covered trees on the left, beautiful rock wall on the right, or at least this old growth basically log that's kind of covering the rock wall. And then you have the beautiful Seymour River. There's a lot of like frost in the foreground and just a beautiful, beautiful composition. So I'm shooting at f/16 at 2 seconds ISO 100. And I'm gonna grab that shot now. Yeah, just absolutely gorgeous. So I hope that you might be learning a little bit from these videos. I really appreciate you guys all tuning in and watching these videos. I'm really enjoying making the videos. So yeah, so if you could subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let me know what you think in the comments below if you like these videos, if there's any other ideas that you could see me basically shooting. And that'll be probably it on this one. I really hope that you enjoy it, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.